Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set Siri responses to silent, spoken or automatic on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Siri and search. Next, in here, we go down and tap on Siri Responses. In here, you could choose Prefer Silent Responses, Automatic, or Prefer Spoken Responses. If you select Automatic, then Siri will use on-device intelligence to automatically determine when to speak. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.